More than 2 decades of conflict and turmoil in Somalia has led to large numbers of internally displaced persons, coupled with the destruction to its social infrastructure and social values, which has led to an increase in gender-based violence. Mainly perpetrated against women and girls, the violation of GBV range from rape, female genital mutilation, domestic violence and forced marriage, to the denial of opportunities, especially in education and skills training.
Internally displaced persons in Somalia are living in very harsh conditions and facing various challenges. In fact, because of high insecurity, women are vulnerable to gender-based violence. For instance, women are often attacked at night due to lack of lighting.
IOM, with the support of the government of Japan and through its implementing partners such as SWDC in Mogadishu, GRT in Garowe, CCRT in Burao, and GECPD in Galkayo, has been working to address the factors leading to the increased GBV.
IOM has been empowering these vulnerable women by distributing solar lanterns and providing psychosocial support to the gender-based violence survivors through the partnership with local partners.
A key element of the psychosocial program IOM runs is the distribution of solar lanterns in IDP settlements across the region. IOM partnered with Japanese tech giant Panasonic to distribute the lanterns to survivors of GBV and those at risk in IDP settlements. This has not only had the effect of increasing safety, but has also improved the learning and work environment in the settlements. In Burao, IOM is working with CCRT to implement a GBV program in Kosar IDP settlement, which has an estimated 2,700 households.
We do awareness raising activities, we do capacity building for local people, we train counselors, they go look for cases, look for incidents, report, monitor the violations, and then document. After that, they do referrals and also assistance to the survivors and victims of gender-based violence.
Some of the achievements IOM has made in its GBV program include strengthening referral systems by provision of medical support and psychosocial counseling to 3,000 survivors of GBV. The provision of alternative safe livelihoods for survivors and those at risk. Conducting social mobilization of community stakeholders towards prevention and response efforts through awareness raising on GBV and psychosocial support. In Mogadishu, IOM has also distributed 200 dignity kits which comprise of the basic necessities such as clothing and sanitary wear that women and girls require to maintain hygiene, dignity and respect in their daily lives. However, factors such as cultural stereotypes inhibit discussions of GBV, the continued instability and fighting, and limited resources have restricted the effectiveness of these activities.
Gender-based violence in Somalia needs to be tackled through a coordinated action that engages different community sectors at all levels and through provision of collaborative services, strengthening of the referral system for the survivors that need medical support, enhancing prevention measures such as awareness raising, education and training, as well as employment generation for both women and men is crucial to curb the problem.
With the slow formation of policies regarding GBV and inadequate institutions to support survivors and enhance access to justice, there is still more to be done for the women and children of Somalia.